Good evening everyone, welcome to the official YouTube channel of Office Saturday 24/7. So first of all, let me know how are you all. Also let me know in the comment section as audio video both are okay, are we good to go. So as you know, we have started this Achiever series and we are discussing module C, and today it will be the last class of your module C because we have discussed all the unit. So today it will be the last unit of your module C, that is unit number 28 in reforms and development in the banking sector. So if we talk about banking sector, so banking sector started in India in the year 1770 when the first Bank of Hindustan was established. Okay, and that's the bank which started formal financial system in our country as well. So if I talk about module C, this is the class number 9 of module C of R, and today's topic will be your Unit number 28, reforms and development in the banking sector. Like what changes have been done in the banking sector from so long that it become more useful for the customer. The customer are more friendly now with the financial product and services, and the bank is also expanding its business in the same field. So what the new things have been seen in the reforms, or we can say what new changes have been done in the banking sector, that's what we have to discuss today. So before moving to the next question, or before starting the question, first of all I would like to inform you all that this is the last session of your module C, and from Monday onwards we will be starting your module D, and these sessions are going on every day, Monday to Saturday, only on Office Saturday 24/7 in the evening for 7 p.m. That's for the English medium IE IFS discussion. And if you want PPB English medium discussion, that's happening in the morning at 6 a.m. Okay, so do make sure regularly you watch this session, and if you are the person who have joined this session for the first time, and if you want to go through all the sessions till now, because we have started the series Achiever series on 4th of December, if you want to go through with all the sessions, then you can simply check the Office Saturday 24/7 YouTube channel, go to the playlist, and there you will find your all the recording of the sessions. Okay, and you can check the recording. So let's start. Reforms and development in the banking sector we are talking about. So the first question on the same topic is that smart lending for aspiring. One second. Okay, it's not working. Just give me a minute. So smart lending for aspiring India have been the theme of which of the reform? So we know for the public sector bank, this reform, ease reform have been introduced to make the banking sector or public sector banks more functionable in the country and having to promote their growth in the country. That's why this ease was introduced for the first time in 2018. So first 2018-19 was the ease 1.0, then 2019-20 was ease 2.0, then 2020-21 was your ease 3.0, and then 2021-22 was your ease 4.0, and the latest one we have is ease 5.0, and that was introduced by our finance minister Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman in June 2022. Okay, so do remember all these are the E's that you have to remember. They have been introduced just to make the public sector banks functioning easy and better. Okay, so now you have to answer me which of the following is correct. Okay, so right answer will be your okay, so right answer will be your option number C, that ease 3.0. So ease 3.0 have 4 themes. Out of these 4 themes, the first theme was a smart lending for aspiring India. So the right answer will be your C option. Okay, now next question we are talking about here is what is the percentage of cash settlement proceeds proposed to be made by NARCL. Okay, next question is talking about for NARCL. NARCL stand for what? National Asset Reconstruction Company Limited. That's a bad bank, and this bad bank was introduced just to make sure that banks' balance sheet will be clean and they will give more time for innovating or for the innovation in the banking sector. So what do you think, which of the following is correct here? A, B, C or D? How much amount is proposed to be done in the cash settlement? So what bad banks are actually doing? Bank have to transfer their NPA to the bad banks, and then bad bank will actually make it clean for the bank and then recover NPA from the market. So that's how, if we talk about the cash settlement proposed here, that was 15%. So the amount of your bad bank settlement in form of cash, that is 15%. So bank have to sell their NPA to the bad banks, okay? And when they are selling the NPA to the bad banks, in that situation, they will get 15% amount in the cash payment. And the remaining 85% will go as per the security receipts, which will be having the Government of India's guarantee for the 5-year period. So, okay, those security receipts. So the right answer will be of C, 15%. Next question is talking about what is the authorized capital of NAFID. So NAFID is a very famous development financial institution. Why? Because this is latest, and this has been created just to collect the funding for the purpose of financing infrastructure development. So what do you think, which of the following is correct here? A, B, C or D? Okay, so the right answer here is 1 lakh crores. So right answer will be your 1 lakh crores. So what is the authorized capital of NAFID? That is 1 lakh crores. NAFID was established in the year 2021. Okay, and it is the latest development financial institution. It was established with the 1 lakh crore initial authorized capital. So your right answer will be D. Okay, next question we have is, which among the following are the characteristics of infrastructure financing? Like when you finance the infrastructure, which of the following will be seen as the characteristics of that? First is saying larger amounts, second is saying longer maturities, third is saying fixed and low real rates of return, fourth is saying all of the above. So which of the following you think is the characteristics of infrastructure financing? So if you are financing infrastructure, obviously it will be of larger amounts. Second, it will have longer maturities, obviously fixed and low real rates of return. This is also true. It means right answer are all of the above. They all are the characteristics of your infrastructure financing. The right answer will be your D. Okay, next question. Next we have, which of the following is not a sector included in infrastructure? So when we talk about infrastructure, infrastructure means simply that gives you different way, that gives you the benefit of different level. Like if you have a physical infrastructure, that will give you the network to link with each other. Okay, so it gives you a physical network. That's a hard infrastructure. If you talk about soft infrastructure, that's a kind of infrastructure which actually gives, or which actually important to run the economy continuously. But when it comes to the infrastructure in context to financing, which of the following is not part? The textile mills are not the part of infrastructure here. So the right answer will be your A. The waterworks, the waterways, the canal network, they all are infrastructure, but not the textile mills here. Next question is talking about the Ease Next program would comprise of 2 major initiatives. Which of the following is those? So first of all, it's a part of your Ease 5.0 initiative. Okay, and it is asking about that Ease Next program includes which of these major initiatives. First is saying Ease 5.0 Common PSB Reform Agenda, Bank Specific Strategy for 5-year roadmap, Bank Specific Strategy for 3-year roadmap, and both A and C. So what do you think, which of the following is true? So Ease 5.0 is correct. The first one is correct because it's a common public sector bank reforms agenda they have taken. It's a part of Ease 5.0. But it's not a 5-year roadmap, it's a 3-year roadmap. So that's why the right answer will be your D. Both A and C are correct. Okay, both the statements are correct. That is A and C. So they are the part of your Ease Next program initiatives. Right answer will be D. Next question we have here, that's talking about which of the following are the 4 themes decided for EASE 3.0. So there are 4 themes that have been decided for EASE 3.0. You have to answer which of the following is the theme. First is saying smart lending for aspiring India. Second is saying hardwiring sound banking through IT system. Third is saying tech-enabled ease of banking. Fourth is saying governance and outcome-centric HR. And fifth is saying all of the above. Now you have to answer which of the following is the correct theme for your EASE 3.0. Which of the following is correct? A, B, C or D? D or E? So when you talk about EASE 3.0, it have given us the 4 theme and all the above are correct here because they all will be covered under the EASE 3.0 theme. Okay, they all are the part of your EASE 3.0 theme. Next, right answer is E, all of the above. Next question we have here, that's talking about the channels through which the funds reach the infrastructure sector are. So what are those sectors which actually reach the infrastructure channels? The channels you can reach to infrastructure channel sectors are government, development financial institution, commercial bank, non-banking financial companies, insurance companies and pension fund, external commercial borrowing and FDI. So which of the following is correct? A, B, C or D? Which of the following is correct here? A, B, C or D? The channels through which the funds reach the infrastructure sector are the government, development financial, the government is correct, the development financial institution correct, commercial banks are correct, non-banking financial companies are correct, insurance company, pension fund, external commercial borrowing, it means you are taking money from the foreign sources, and the FDI. So all are the right channels through which the funds reach to infrastructure sector. From all these channels, they can take the funds for the infrastructure sector. So the right answer will be your D, all of the above. Okay, next. So this is a question that is match the following. It is asking about, first you have got a particulars and the amounts have been given. You have to match them in the right connection. So first is saying the total assets to be transferred. This is all about what? This is all about NARCL. National Asset Reconstruction Company Limited, bad banks. Okay, so total asset to be transferred, PSB, public sector banks ownership and NARCL, central guarantee valid for 5 years, how much guarantee they are giving. Then public sector bank and public financial institutions stake in the IDRCL. So if you talk about the total asset that will be transferred is your 2 lakh crore. So the first have 3. The PSB ownership and NARCL is a maximum major holding. It means it is your 51% in the NARCL. But when it comes to the IDRCL, it is 49% only. Okay, and the central government is giving a guarantee for 5 years, that of amount 30,600 crores. So that is first. So your right combination will be A3, B4, C1 and D2. So 3, 4, 1, 2. This is the right combination. 3, 4, 1, 2. It's not 3. Not 3, not 3, it means right answer is C. 3, 4, 1, that's 1, 2. Okay, so the right answer will be C option. That's matches the correct combination in the match the following about your NARCL. So right answer will be your C option. Clear? Do remember these amount, very important for NARCL topic. This can be asked in one-liner question or same as the match the following. Now, the following 2 new themes have been introduced to deliver on these objectives. First is saying new age 24/7 banking with resilient technology. Second is saying collaborative banking for synergistic outcome. Third is saying both. Fourth is saying none of the above. So what do you think? Which of the following is correct here? Which of the following is correct here? A, B, C or D? Let me know. Okay, so right answer is both. It means new age 24/7 banking with resilient technology, collaborative banking for synergistic outcome. Both are correct. Okay, so right answer will be both. They both are the part of your new themes that have been introduced in the EASE 4.0. Clear? Okay, so let me know how many answers you have given correct here about your reforms and development in banking sector. How many answers you have given correct? Okay. Apart from that, this is the information I want to give you all, that the resolution batch just started from 10th of January for all of you. And this is the batch that is going to give you all the required help for clearing your JAIIB exam for the May 2024. That's a resolution batch for English medium candidate. If you know someone who is looking for the bilingual batch, then let them know the Shapat batch also started on 10th of January. How to enroll? To enroll, you have to download the Adda 24/7 application first. After downloading the application, you have to go to the application. Okay, and do select the exam category, that will be JAIIB, CIB. Okay, so this is how you can check the badge. This is the resolution badge. First check the offering of the badge, then check the validity, and if you want to check the study plan, that is available here. Click on the study plan. You will find the study plan already uploaded here. 2 subjects have been started. So both the study plan, this is AFM study plan, this is PPB study plan. You can download it. And then after checking all the details, you can click on the buy now option. After clicking on the buy now option, if you use this code, you will get only 75% discount. For more discount, you can use the code Y496. Y496, click on the apply. Once you apply, you will find 77% discount here, but for 1% additional discount, you can purchase this from the application and use the coins available there, and it will give you 78% discount. The validity will be 6 months and the coupon code will be Y496. So this is how you can enroll in the resolution batch. The same process you can use to enroll in your Mahapack or any other batch you want to enroll. Apart from that, if you want to join the regular sessions of your YouTube, the Achiever series, then you can join by subscribing the channel Officers Adda 24/7 and press the bell icon so that all the upcoming sessions notification will be given to you. And do remember, today we have completed module C as well. So A, B, C, 3 modules we have completed on YouTube for discussing in form of most important MCQ and the advanced question. Both we have done. Now in the next class, that will be on Monday at the 7 p.m. we will be starting your module D. So I would say, before starting module D, make sure you revise all the sessions that have been happened till now, till today. And for that, you have to go to the playlist of Officers Adda 24/7. In the playlist, you will find all the sessions recording available. Just do check the recording of all the session and start your preparation from the very first class of your JAIIB. And if you want that you will clear the paper in a very calm manner, like you do not have to take the stress to start your preparation, or have to take the stress like am I be capable of completing the syllabus after this much period, or etc. And if you do not want to panic about your revision, about your conceptual study, about your practice, so this is the right time where you have to start your preparation, because the more you delay, the more less time will be there to cover each and everything. And in that situation you will panic, because you are going to have the March closing and etc. Everything will be there. So if you are thinking about it, do it soon. And the latest batch that have been launched by us is resolution batch. So do check the orientation class and demo class as well, which is available on the Officers at 24/7 channel, and then decide if you want to enroll. Do it soon, so that you do not have to panic in the end of the end time of your exam. Okay, so that's all for today, and thank you all for joining the session. We'll see you tomorrow in the morning, or I can say for the PPB we are going to meet in the morning at 6 a.m. for your module D starting. Okay, so that